If you want to earn a six-figure income, you'll need to make at least $100,000 a year. That works out to be $8,333.33 a month, $2,083.33 a week, $416.66 each workday, or $52 an hour. In this video, we'll go over how to make money on Fiverr, why it's a wonderful platform for aspiring freelancers, and a few successful tips, and the most effective approach to boost your earnings. To see how these rates compare to what you're making now, take a look at your current salary and divide it by the corresponding numbers of months, weeks, days, or hours. For example, if you're making $50,000 a year, that's $4,166.67 a month, which means you need to double that an additional $4,166.67 each month to reach your goal. If you're making $20 an hour, you need to make more than double your hourly rate to reach your goal. As you see, earning a six-figure income requires quite a bit of money, so you need to ask yourself how you will legally make $100,000 a year. Are you qualified and able to find a regular job paying that much? Do you have any special talents or abilities that you can use to your advantage? Can you start your own business and make that much money? Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income-generating opportunities right in front of you. So let's first answer the question of what is Fiverr? The freelance economy is booming, and there are opportunities for almost everyone. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or another type of freelancer, there's likely a demand for your skills. And with the rise of the internet and digital technologies, it's easier than ever to find work without leaving home. Fiverr is an online platform that connects freelancers and clients for services in 8 top-level categories: business, digital marketing, graphic and design, lifestyle, music and audio, programming and tech, video and automation, and writing and translation. Freelancers can create gigs or project listings that offer services for a set price. Clients can then browse these gigs and purchase the ones they need, making Fiverr a great platform for freelancers to sell their services and make money online. Help a future business owner just like you find this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Let's talk a bit about Fiverr gigs and seller levels. At the most basic level, a gig is a service you offer for a set price. There are specific terms for each gig, like how many words you will edit for $5, or how long it will take you to write a 1,000-word blog post for $50. Every gig has a title, description, number of revision requests, and delivery date. The number of gigs you can create on Fiverr depends on your seller level, which is determined by how long you've been on Fiverr, how many successful orders you've delivered, and how much money you've made on the site. At the entry level, you can create up to 7 gigs. Once you reach level 1, you can create up to 10 gigs. At level 2, you can create up to 20. As a seller on Fiverr, you have the potential to earn more money by offering extras and multiples. Extras are services you can provide in addition to your basic gigs, such as a rush delivery or additional revisions. Multiples are simply multiple quantities of the same gig, such as 10 logo designs instead of just one. Offering extras and multiples allows you to tap into a larger market of buyers willing to pay more for additional services or a higher quality of work. In addition, it helps to differentiate you from other sellers who may only offer a basic gig with no extras or multiples. Offering both can increase your earning potential and stand out from the competition. Fiverr is a great platform for freelancers to offer their services, and it offers many opportunities for those looking to get started in the freelancing world. However, it is important to remember that Fiverr is a competitive marketplace, and to be successful, you need to level up your account quickly. In addition, by leveling up your account, you will also gain access to new features and tools that can help you provide better service to your clients. So if you're looking to get started on Fiverr, make sure you level up your account as soon as possible. Fiverr allows you to reach a bigger audience by requiring you to state exactly what your services are. For example, a freelance writer can offer both YouTube scripts and SEO articles for blogs instead of just one or the other, as only a writing services gig. Gig packages. Gig packages are variations of services that come pre-bundled with extras, which can increase your Fiverr earnings. For example, if you offer a logo design service, you can create a gig package that includes additional services, such as business card designs or social media banner designs. By providing these extras, you can boost your earnings and give your buyers a more convenient way to get all the services that they need from one seller. In addition, by grouping similar services, you can often give buyers a discount, making your gig even more attractive. If you're selling offers on Fiverr, the basic option is cheap, but it will only satisfy the needs of a small portion of potential customers. For example, if you're selling a social media marketing package that includes Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram promotion, the basic package only offers Twitter promotion. As a result, potential customers only interested in Facebook or Instagram promotions will be forced to purchase a more expensive package or go without your services altogether. Therefore, to maximize your sales and appeal to as many potential customers as possible, it's important to offer a variety of packages that meets the needs of different individuals and businesses. For the same example, the standard option would include Twitter and Facebook promotions, and the premium option would consist of all three. Different package options enable you to reach a broader range of potential customers and ultimately boost your Fiverr earnings by nudging customers towards the better premium option. In short, when creating gig packages, it's important to remember that the goal is to create an offer that potential customers cannot refuse. In other words, your gig packages should be too good to pass up. To do this, make sure you include services that complement each other and offer a significant value add for the buyer. Then, bundling the services together gives buyers a complete solution they can't find anywhere else. How to increase production and profits. As any business owner knows, time is money, and when it comes to running a successful business, there's simply not enough time in the day to do everything yourself. That's where outsourcing comes in. Yes, that's precisely where I'm going. Hire freelancers on Fiverr to complete your own Fiverr orders. By hiring other freelancers to handle some of your workloads, you can free up your time to focus on the most important tasks. In addition, by outsourcing, you can also scale your business more quickly and efficiently. For example, let's say you're a freelance graphic designer who specializes in creating logos. You could create a gig on Fiverr that offers to design 3 logos for $5 each. However, if you're receiving a lot of orders, it would be nearly impossible to complete all of them on your own time. To keep up with the demand, you could hire another freelancer on Fiverr to help you with the workload. By doing this, you could be able to complete more orders in the same amount of time, which would increase your profits. In addition, by outsourcing, you could also offer a faster turnaround time to your buyers, which could lead to even more sales. The bottom line is that if you want to boost your Fiverr earnings, outsourcing is a great way to do it. Use online software tools. Another option to increase our profits using Fiverr is utilizing online software tools. If you prefer to have more say in your work output when outsourcing, then this is a great solution. For example, you could use an online writing assistance tool such as Jasper.ai to help you with your writing gigs. Jasper is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you write everything from brainstorming ideas to editing and polishing your work. Using a tool like Jasper can significantly speed up the writing process and produce higher quality work in less time. As a result, you'll be able to take on more gigs and earn more money on Fiverr. In addition to Jasper, several other software tools can help you boost your productivity and earn more on Fiverr. Some of these include Canva, an online design platform that's perfect for creating professional-looking graphics. Surfer SEO, a keyword research tool that can help you find the perfect keywords for your gigs. Grammarly, a grammar checking tool that can help you avoid mistakes in your work. vidIQ, a tool that can help you optimize your videos for maximum views and engagement. And Pictory.ai, a platform that helps you create stunning visuals for your gigs. Utilizing these online tools can significantly increase your productivity and earnings on Fiverr. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on 11 business ideas online that are taking off and will make you rich.